The Indian Army is the land based branch of the Indian Armed Forces. It is the world's second largest standing army and the largest army. The President of India is the Supreme Commander of the Indian Army and it is commanded by the Chief of Army Staff who is a four-star general. Two battalions of the Indian Army have been awarded the nations in conflict peak and model and medal. The Indian Army has a regimental system but is operationally and geographically split into seven commands with the basic field formation being a division. It is an all volunteer force and comprises more than 18,000 active troops and a support element of close to 1 lakh 6,000 troops. The primary objective of the nation army is to safeguard the nation's territorial integrity from external aggression and threats and maintain peace and security within its borders. It conducts humanitarian resource operations during neutral and natural calamities and other restlessness and like Operation Surya Hope and can also be requisite and by the government to assist in national emergencies. The Indian Army has been involved in four wars with neighboring Pakistan and one with China. It has also conducted numerous peacekeeping operations across the world. Indian Army consists of many regiments which are territorially based and each regiment has its own cap, badge, traditions and history. The units that make up the Indian Army are not all permanently based in one location. They are rotated between deployments in India and other countries as part of peacekeeping or training missions. The Indian Army is a very disciplined force and follows a strict hierarchy. Officers must salute their seniors regardless of rank and must obey orders from their superiors without question. The soldiers are also expected to maintain a high degree of personal hygiene and be physically fit. The Indian Army is one of the largest armies in the world. It has more than 1 lakh 16,000 troops who are available for deployment at short notice. These troops come from all over India and are drawn from all religions and regions. They are paid according to their rank and duration of service. The Indian Army is the largest volunteer army in the world. It has more than 1 lakh 16,000 troops who are available for deployment at short notice. India became independent from Britain in 1947. It was then ruled by the British Indian Empire. The Independence Day of Pakistan is on 14 August 1947. There was a lot of violence and bloodshed between the Hindus and Muslims in the partition of British India and into India and Pakistan. The British Indian Army was divided between the two countries. The British Indian Army in Pakistan became the Pakistani Army. The British Indian Army in India became the Indian Army. The Indian Army oriented and originated from armies of the East India Companies, which at last became the British Indian Army and the Princely States Army, after and which after its independence in 1947 merged into the National Army of India. The units of the Indian Army have fought many battles in the past where they gained honor for the country with their bravery. One will find out more facts about the Indian Army through this essay on the Indian Army in English. The Indian Army has the sole objective of protecting the nation from any foreign aggression that arises, ensuring the nation's security. They also try to prevent the nation from internal threats. During natural calamities, the Indian Army conducts humanitarian rescue operations to save many people's lives. There are a total of 65 regiments in the Indian Army that are divided based on their skills. These are some facts that one can learn from the essay on the Indian Army. There are various medals presented by the President of India to different Indian Army recruits for their bravery on the battlefield. The medals awarded for the valor shown on the battlefield in the face of the enemy are Paramveer Chakra, Mahavir Chakra, and Veer Chakra, and the medals awarded for bravery and courage shown away from the battlefield are Asoka Chakra, Kirti Chakra, and Surya Chakra. The Indian Army till now has fought 4 battles, from which 3 were with Pakistan and 1 was with China. Some other operations that are performed by the Indian Army are Operation Vijay, Operation Meghdoot, Operation Cactus, and Operation Brass Tacks. One can also learn about some more missions conducted by the Indian Army from this essay on the Indian Army, as they were also involved in many peacekeeping missions organized by the United States. Some of these peacekeeping missions were conducted in Lebanon, Angola, Cambodia, Vietnam, and many other countries. The government is now planning to increase the capabilities of the Indian force by introducing some new policies. Recently, it has been planned that the Indian Army with the Indian Navy will set up a marine bridge. The current formation that the Army follows are holding formations and combat formations. Holding formations are meant for holding and containing the enemies, and combat formation is meant for counter-attacking the enemies in order to neutralize them and stop them from attacking. One can gain knowledge of the Army's uniform from this Indian Army article. The Indian Army camouflage uniform includes a shirt, trousers, and a synthetic material cap. The Indian Army's camouflage dress has a jungle camouflage pattern that is designed to be used in woodland environments. Regiments that are posted in the desert or dusty area have desert camouflage pattern uniforms. The modern recruited armies are required to wear distinctive parade uniforms which are classified by variegated turbans and waist chassis in regimental colors. Stop.